Hello guys, very fast video just to show you one more resource to check the sentiment. It's blockchainwhispers.com. This is the website. What are you going to see here? You are going to see Bitcoin longs versus shorts on three exchanges, right? On the three biggest exchanges basically, Bitfinex, BitMEX and Binance. As you can see, it's showing you the amount of money, and as a percentage basis on Bitfinex you will see 82% are long, only 70% are short. On the BitMEX 65% are long, 34% shorts. On the Binance as well. So as you can see right now, the longs are much more than the shorts. So you know already how to what conclusions to make, right? Here you will also be able to see the Ethereum long versus shorts. However, it's only on Bitfinex and on BitMEX. As you can see, there are much more longs than shorts. And there are some other stuff on this website, but I'm not looking anything else at all. Only the sentiment for the Bitcoin, and you can see the sentiment for Ethereum as well. This is what I wanted to show you.